I tried Nova Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I installed the Nova Wallet app, I didn't expect much, just another multi-chain wallet, right? But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Nova isn't just a crypto wallet. It's a full ecosystem for managing, staking, and exploring web across multiple blockchains. From the moment I opened it, the design stood out clean, futuristic, and easy to navigate. On day one, I imported my existing Polkadot account, and within seconds, I could see my balance, staking rewards, and network stats all in one dashboard. By day two, I discovered what makes Nova so unique. It's built specifically for the Polkadot and Cosmos ecosystems. Most people get this wrong, but Nova isn't trying to compete with Ethereum wallets like MetaMask. It's designed for the multi-chain future that Polkadot enables. You can switch between parachains, send tokens, or even participate in governance all directly within the app. On day 4, I tested staking. It's surprisingly straightforward. You can nominate validators and earn rewards automatically. The app even suggests top-performing validators to help maximize returns, something many other wallets overlook. Midweek, I explored the portfolio tracking features. Nova shows real-time balances, historical charts, and network activity. It's like having a mini analytics hub in your pocket. By day 6, I connected it to WeDApps, a feature that truly impressed me. The integration is smooth and secure, giving you access to decentralized applications across multiple networks. The shocking truth by day 7 was this: Nova Wallet is incredibly powerful if you're invested in the Polkadot world. It combines staking, governance, DeFi, and asset management, all while keeping your private keys in your hands. If you're serious about exploring the Polkadot or Cosmos ecosystems, Nova Wallet isn't just an option, it's essential. Clean, fast, and surprisingly deep, it's a glimpse into the next generation of blockchain wallets.